Alright, I'm in the middle of making a green sauce. If you've ever been in a Peruvian restaurant, you've seen the green sauces are a little on the hot side. I looked at the ingredients, I was like, ew, yucky. So, we're making a green sauce because somebody requested it. Now it looks like we're almost done with our garlic. We'll use it one more time. We'll just put a liquid on the inside and wash it out. Alright, that's one of the ingredients. Next ingredient, jalapenos. Seeds in. Only got some greens here. I'll throw some of the greens in right now. But at least I filled it once, and then I was going to use fresh lime juice, but we're just because this is going into the freezer and it might be around for a while. It looks like about 3 tablespoons. And it's time to start the party. Pause for the cause. Alright. Had to use the masher piece to push everything down. Do this one more time. And then it'll be time to throw in the yogurt. Nice and green, right? Alright, pause. And I've given it a taste, and it is yummy. Now it's time to yogurt it up. That nice thick Greek yogurt. Look how thick that is. Nice thick. Pause for the cause. There, it's all done. It's perfect. Wow. I added a little bit more lime juice. I wanted to offset the heat factor with the lime. Excellent consistency. Taste it. Oh yeah. That's on the money. Alright. If you want, give it a try. It's delicious.